Hey friends, anyone can draw a super cute boba stitch. Let's draw it together. First, draw a line like this right in the middle of your paper. Now draw the same line right below it. Next, connect the ends of these two lines with a nice curved line. Now draw a big, happy curve on top, from one end all the way to the other. Next, draw lines going down, slightly tilted toward the center, one on the left and one on the right. Now connect the ends of those lines. Now let's add a dot here and another dot here. Try to keep them nice and even on both sides. From this dot, draw a line straight down. Now connect the ends again. Time for the fun part. Draw some small circles here. These are the boba pearls. Next, draw a curvy line that looks like a wiggly water wave. Now draw a straight line from the top side, going down and almost touching the water wave. Draw another straight line right next to it. Then close the ends with curved lines. You just made the boba straw. Let's add another wiggly water wave. Next, place two dots on the left and right sides of the boba cup lid. From those dots, draw curves going up. Keep going by turning those curves downward. Connect them with the shape that looks like a sideways letter V. Now continue by connecting the curves downward again. Do the same thing on the other side. Add some simple curves to finish Stitch's ears. Next, draw a small line in the middle of the boba cup lid. Then add an upside-down U shape on top of it. Now add two tiny dots. These are the nose. Draw short curved lines on the left and right sides of the nose. Add upside-down U-shaped curves above them. Let's make the eyes sparkle. Add small circles at the top of the eyes. Now draw upside-down U-shapes around the left and right eyes. Finally, connect the ends with more smooth curved lines. Tell me in the comments which part was the trickiest for you.